Ferrari spent a fortune to design an SUV that looks like a cheap subcompact Mazda crossover. How many times have you read this on the internet since Ferrari's first ever SUV came out? Has the automotive world come to the point where even Ferrari designers lack creativity and have to look for inspiration in the most unexpected places? It's been months since the famous photo that compares side profiles of the two models appeared on the network. But people still don't realize that someone just wanted to get more attention on their social network profile. While some found this comparison interesting, maybe even funny because honestly it kinda was, others took it too seriously and got offended. With that in mind, we decided to take a detailed look at the two models and find out what's the ultimate truth. What are the similarities between the two models, and what are the substantial differences that justify such a monumental price gap? If you're just like us and want to find the answer to these questions, and finally put a pin on this silly comparison, then you definitely want to check out this video.